Hi everyone. So the other day I was, just casually going through my laptop storage as one does, and I came across a keygen zip file. A keygen, like what is this, right? So naturally I was like, I wonder what's in here. I extracted it, being the brave soul that I am, but oh boy, what do you know? Windows Defender was not having it. It quarantined the file. Seriously, what did I even download? This time, the Defender saved my poor operating system from potential disaster. But let's be real, it can't save me every time. So I thought, is there a way to run this dodgy software in like a safe little container? I know Docker can do it, but honestly, downloading Docker, figuring out how to move files back and forth, it's just a mess. So before I went down this rabbit hole, I was actually trying to find some decent Windows software testing environment. And let me tell you, it was like trying to find a matching pair of socks in the laundry abyss. But then I stumbled upon this thing called Windows Sandbox, or WSB for short. It's like having a tiny isolated playground for running apps without risking your main system. I'm planning a video on that soon, so keep your eyes peeled. But for now, let's move on to the real adventure. I even considered using an online virtual machine, but then again, transferring the software is such a pain, plus those things take forever to start. I thought, I'd show you how it looks, just in case it's handy in future. So you can find these emulators at onworks.net. As you can see, it's got a whole bunch of virtual machines. Let's check out what they have in Linux. And if we go under the Wine tab, we can find the Windows emulator. Here we go, let's run this. It might take a minute to start. Okay, it's up and running. Let's open Firefox and do a speed test. Okay, the internet speed is good, around 200 Mbps, not bad. We can transfer files using some online file sharing site and test it here. Storage, let's see, around 30 gigs, that's all right. But let's not get sidetracked. We need a lightweight virtual machine to test these maybe infected softwares, right? Windows 7 is way too old, so let's look for a lightweight Windows 8 or 10. This looks interesting, a mini Windows 8.1. Apparently it takes only 2 gigs and needs just 200 MB of RAM. That's great. It's 32-bit, which means we can run all sorts of low and medium software. So there are some ISO images. This one here looks like a Windows 8 with 2 gig drive. We'll download this 900 MB ISO. Let's see what's inside. Typical Windows installation files. Okay, let's download this. It will take a few minutes, so I'll speed things up for you. More elevator music for your listening pleasure. Finally, it is downloaded. I've already installed VirtualBox, so let's start that up. We will give the name Windows Mini. Select the ISO image. Change the version to Windows 8.132-bit. And we'll keep the rest at the default. Let's start this machine. All right. Windows has booted. Just pressing next, next, next until the installation begins. More elevator music? No, okay, it's installing pretty quick. Let's see the size, around 1 gigabyte. Let the installation finish. Done, and it is around 2.25 gigs. Can't wait to see it boot. Restart now. Okay, Windows logo, that's a good sign. No need to press any key, we already installed it. And no setup, no Cortana, no user creation. C drive size is 4 gigs. But on my system, it's around 2.4. Strange. Let's create a shared path to share our files from my computer to this Windows. Let's make a folder. Music folder seems fine. Name it Windows 8 Mini Shared. Select the folder, check Auto Mount and Permanent, and click OK. I think I need a restart. There used to be an option in Task Manager to check startup time, but I can't find it. If you know where it is, do put it in the comments. We need to find our shared folder. Open My Computer, but it's not mounted. What about this other option, Transient Folder? Let's mount that too. Okay, it's not working. Let me do a restart. I forgot to install guest editions. Let's mount and install the VirtualBox guest editions. Reboot again. My Computer, and there's our folder, mounted. Let's move the file we want to test. The keys erosion file I have copied here. When I extract it in my system, Windows Defender deletes it. Now, let's extract this file here. Hit refresh and copy it to the C drive. Download 7-zip 32-bit version. Let's extract it now, finally. Let's open the keygen file. Yes, it's running. We can test any virus here, but still the network adapter of this VM is connected to my PC. It is secure, but still not fully secure to test everything here. If you found this helpful, give me a like and hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want me to cover next. I'll see you in the next video.